In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your files on a Windows computer using OneDrive. We'll walk through the process step by step so that, by the end, your important documents, photos, and other files are safely backed up to the cloud. This means that if something ever happens to your computer, you'll still be able to access your files from another device just by signing in. First, make sure you're signed in to Windows with a Microsoft account. Most Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers already have OneDrive built in. To check, look at the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar and find the small cloud icon. That's the OneDrive app. If you don't see it, click the Start button, type OneDrive into the search box, and open the OneDrive app from there. When OneDrive opens for the first time, it may ask you to sign in. Use your Microsoft account details, then follow the on-screen prompts. You'll usually see a simple setup wizard that explains what OneDrive does and where your OneDrive folder will be located on your computer. Just keep clicking through until setup is complete. Now, let's talk about which folders you want to protect. OneDrive can automatically back up key folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. To set this up, click the OneDrive cloud icon on the taskbar. Then choose the Settings or Help and Settings option. In the Settings window, look for something like Sync and Backup or Backup, and then choose Manage Backup. Here you'll see toggles for the desktop, documents, and pictures folders. Turn on the backup for each folder you want protected. Once you confirm, OneDrive will start uploading the files from those folders to your cloud storage. This may take some time if you have a lot of files, so it's best to stay connected to a stable internet connection and keep your computer powered on. From this point on, any new files you save into those folders will automatically sync to OneDrive in the background. You don't need to move them manually. To quickly check whether a file is backed up, open File Explorer and look for the OneDrive section on the left side. Files with a cloud or checkmark icon are synced. That's the basic setup. With OneDrive running and those important folders selected, your Windows computer will continuously back up your files, giving you peace of mind and easy access wherever you sign in.